Okay, so today we're going to continue again to solve calculations that include more than one operation. Just a reminder of the operations are there in pink. And how you're going to be successful today, you're going to continue to use your times table facts and division facts. You're going to continue to break the calculation down into steps and clearly show these, and you're going to be able to fully explain your reasoning. So today we're going to be looking at calculations that have more than one brackets and orders in today. So here is my calculation. 3 times 4 subtract 14 divided by 2. So I can see that I have a multiplication, a division, and I have 2 sets of brackets here. So looking at my BODMAS, I'm going to be doing the brackets first. Brackets, then orders, division, multiplication, addition, then subtraction. So I'm going to do my brackets first. Now because I have 2 of them, it doesn't matter which one I do, as long as they are the first things that I do. So just for ease, I'm going to do 3 times 4, so that is 12, and then I know I'm going to be subtracting whatever is in the next one. 14 divided by 2, I know it is 7. So my next step will be 12 subtract 7. I've got no orders, no division, no multiplication, no addition, so the last thing I need to do is the subtraction. 12 minus 7 is 5. I'm not going to spend too much time talking you through any more, because your task now is to complete this dip and pick card. Your starting question is in the middle. You then have 4 questions around the outside. I'm happy for you to lay out your page just like this, with the answer to the first question and workings in the middle, and the answer to the next question at the top left, and then the following one top right. That's absolutely fine. But if you think that's going to be too much for you, then you can just do it 1, 2, 3, 4, all down like you normally would. It doesn't matter. Okay, so your 5 questions are there in your dip and pick. Answers are there. Please read them very carefully, because they do ask you to fully explain. They do ask other questions like what difficulties would you face in this calculation. They do ask you to predict something. Okay, so read the question very carefully. It's not as simple as just answering the calculation. Once you've done that, there is an extension. If you have time, use these digit cards. How many different answers can you generate? So I'm going to be trialing things like 14 plus 4, subtract 6, and see if that can get me one of the other cards. Or see if it can get me a different answer. That's absolutely fine. I don't mind if the answer isn't on those cards. I might try 24 divided by 4 plus 8.5. Okay, it would be amazing if you can generate one where all of the digits are the card, so your answer is the card as well, but it's okay to generate a completely different number. Your answer doesn't have to be on the card. Just see what you can come up with. There's some brackets in there as well. Come up with something crazy.